Hey everyone, welcome to Law Simple and Pure. I'm your host Dr. Vaishali and today we are going to learn how law is made in India or how a draft gets converted into a bill and how that bill becomes a law. Okay, so which organ makes law in India? Legislature makes law in India. What is legislature? It is also called as parliament or Sansad. In legislature, two houses of parliament are there, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha plus president, that is called as a supreme lawmaking body. Every law in India is made by the legislature and there are some exceptions, but every law, Indian Penal Code is made by legislature, CRPC is made by legislature, Indian Contract Act made by legislature. So legislature makes law. Now how that law making is done? Behind every law there is a policy. Okay, for example, Right to Education Act. So what is that policy? That this comes in social welfare, okay, and it needs to be backed by economic policy also, that whether we are in a position to provide right to education as a matter of right to Indian children. Okay, so that is the policy. Once that policy is decided that yes, we are capable to provide right to education as a matter of right till 8th, okay, or till 13 years of age, then that policy gets converted into a draft, and a draft is made by both the houses by discussion and voting. So both the houses, they vote whether this is a good draft or not, what we want in this draft. So a draft is made by both the houses of parliament by discussion and voting. It is called as a draft. Once that draft is presented by both the houses in front of the president, that draft is called as a bill. Okay, and when that bill is passed by both the houses and approved by the president, then it becomes an act. It is called as a law or act or a statute. Okay, so policy is there behind every law. Then draft is made by both the houses of parliament by discussion and voting. When that draft is presented in front of the president, then that draft is called as a bill, and once that bill is passed by both the houses and approved by the President of India, then that bill becomes an act. So this is a journey of law from a draft to an act. Now we learned who makes the law. Legislature makes the law. How that bill gets converted into act, we know that now. Now when that law making happens, for law making, legislature has to be in session. Okay, session means both the houses should meet together and then they should make a law. So legislative work begins with session. Okay, how that session begins? President summons both the houses of the parliament to start a session. Okay, there should not be a gap of more than six months between two sessions. Usually 3 sessions happens in India every year. Okay, and these sessions are budget session, monsoon session and winter session. Budget session, in which budget is discussed and presented, begins in January or February and it goes till May. Second session begins with monsoon session, the other lawmaking act. It begins in July or August and it goes on till September. And third session is winter session, which begins in November and which ends in December. So these are the 3 sessions in which legislature makes laws. Now, when the legislature is not in session, then what happens? If legislature is not in session and lawmaking is needed or some emergency arises in the nation, then during that period, president can make the law and that law will be called as an ordinance. So in state, governor can make law, that is also called as an ordinance, and at the central level, president can make a law and that is called as an ordinance. So this is our normal legislative work. Who makes the law? Legislature makes the law. How law is made? First, a draft is made. That draft gets converted into a bill, and once that bill is passed by both the houses and approved by the president, then it becomes an act. When this happens? When the legislature in session. And when these sessions are arranged 3 times in a year, in 3 sessions: budget session, monsoon session and winter session. So that's it about legislative law making in India. Stay tuned till my next lecture. Goodbye and good luck.